Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing crispy chicken spring rolls recipe. In a bowl add 1.5 cup of flour, add salt, mix it, add little oil, mix, add water as required and knead to form a dough. Divide the dough into 13 small portions and shape into round balls. Cover and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Wash 3/4 of chicken breast, boil it with water, salt, black pepper powder, little oil. Once it is cooled, shred it. Cut 1 carrot, few French beans and 1 capsicum into long strips. Chop few spring onions and 1/4 cabbage. Wash all the vegetables. Sprinkle flour on the rolling board. Roll the balls into the size of a puri. Apply oil on one side. Place it into the flour with the oiled part facing downwards. Follow the same steps for the other one also. Place it on the first one with the oiled parts facing each other. Roll it. Follow the same steps to make rest of the spring roll sheets. Heat a pan and slightly fry the spring roll sheets on both sides. Then separate them. Place them in a damp cloth and keep aside. In a bowl, add flour, add water, mix it to form a paste which is neither too thick nor too thin. Heat oil in a pan and slightly fry the shredded chicken. Then remove it from the pan, add oil in the pan, add the vegetables, stir, Add salt. Stir. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Stir. Add little soya sauce. Stir. Add little chili sauce. Stir. Add little tomato sauce. Stir. Add the chicken. Stir. Once the vegetables are sauteed and cooked, switch off the flame. Let the chicken filling cool. Take little filling and place it on the spring roll sheets. Apply the flour and water paste as shown. Fold it. Now roll it. Follow the same steps to make rest of the spring rolls. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the spring rolls on medium flame. Crispy chicken spring rolls are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.